This video will cover the Vertiv DSView solution IPSL setup and configuration. Beginning with standalone mode, I connected the IPSL directly to my workstation and entered the default IP address into my browser. After entering the default login credentials, set your custom password and log in to the web interface. The menu on the left-hand side offers a dashboard, logs, session, configuration, firmware, and media tab. In the network tab under configuration, you can view and configure the network settings. In serial interfaces, under the serial interfaces tab, you can view and configure the serial settings. Enabling the serial interface will allow you to open a serial session. Enabling SSH will allow you to SSH to the device. To register your IPSL with a management platform, you can physically connect the device to an MP1000 or RM1048, or in the web interface under Registration, set the mode to Managed and enter the IP address of the management platform. Once you've successfully logged into the web interface with the admin credentials, you'll be prompted to change the password on first login. Now, to configure the network settings in the web interface, navigate to Configuration and then select Network. Here, you can assign a static IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. Now click Apply to save your changes. Next, to set up the serial ports, navigate to Configuration and then select Serial Interfaces. You should see a list of available RJ45 and USB serial ports. For each port, make sure to enable the interface, set the signal type, usually RS-232, configure the baud rate, default is 9600, and then enable SSH if remote access is needed. Then, click Apply and save each port's configuration. You can integrate a remote IPSL with your MP1000 or RM1048 by going to the Configuration and Registration tab. Here, enter the IP address of your management platform and follow the prompts to enroll the device. If the IPSL is physically connected to the RM1048 or MP1000, it will be automatically discovered. Now that your IPSL is successfully enrolled, verify that you can launch serial sessions, monitor logs, and manage firmware updates centrally. Now, your IPSL should be installed and ready to use. For more details, refer to the IPSL DSView solution documentation or reach out to Vertiv support.